Here we are at the Hyatt Ziva Los Cabos. This is an ocean view room. We're up on the 6th floor, so as you can see, there's an amazing view. We'll get a closer look at that later. There are a couple of large cupboards just when you first enter the room. This one's got just a ton of curtains, and there's your room safe as well. Then here we've got coffee and drink station, as well as the mini bar. It comes with some snacks, and there's your bucket for ice. Here they've just refilled it with some extra tzatzikis. Of course, you can always order those from room service. And then we've got another large closet here. Again, more hangers and an ironing board. And then on the desk there, you can see there's more cupboard space for your things. So we've got the bathroom here. It's a frosted glass. And then there's the somewhat open toilet, but as you can see, there's a full frosted door. So you've got the privacy that way. And then a dual vanity. Toiletries that are included. This soap is absolutely lovely. It's really good. It's ladies for shaving your legs. It's perfect. It foams up really nicely, so that's great. We've got a body lotion here. And, oh, sorry, toilet, obviously not gonna have stuff in there. So we've got a nice jacuzzi tub and large towels. You can hang up your stuff here. You've got a rainfall shower head, as well as the either handheld or you can just hook it up that way. Shampoo and proper conditioner, not conditioning shampoo. And another really nice soap. And if you're shaving your legs, obviously you can just put your leg up on the ledge of the bathtub. So that works out well. Let's enter the main living area. So again, we've got another area for your clothes here, and large screen TV, king size bed, and then you can see I use my phone a lot. Now, sorry, going back to the bathroom here, this does close, so you can have full privacy in the bathroom if you like, if you don't want that full sharing situation. We've got the iHome music machine with, as you'll see, it's a USB port here. We've got 2 more here, as well as a plug-in. Room service is included 24/7. As I mentioned, you can order a beer or a glass of wine. On this side, we've got 2 more USBs and a plug-in. And I quite like these little reading lamps. Quite nice if you're wanting to just have a little read while your partner is sleeping. I believe, no, just a regular couch. And then you go to sitting area here. Sorry, Amanda, couldn't resist. Had to go there. And then, like I said, this is on the 6th floor. So we've got a fabulous view. Got the pool down below. This is the adults only side of the resort. And then that gorgeous view of the ocean. We'll just take one quick turnaround. And again, that's the room from the opposite direction. Lovely.